Here's how to make a GIF on your iPhone. Now, to do this, we're going to use the built-in app called Shortcuts. So swipe over to the app library here, and we're just going to search for Shortcuts here and open it up. Again, this is a built-in default Apple app. Now, within here, it's already preset in the gallery. So just tap on Gallery here at the bottom right. And we're going to search for GIF or GIF, however you pronounce it. And we can search for it. And you can see at the very top, it says create a GIF or GIF from a live photo or video. Just tap on the little plus. But from here, we need to hit cancel and then tap on Shortcuts at the very bottom left. Now you'll be able to see make a GIF. All you need to do is tap on it and it will pop up and ask for either a live photo or a video. So let's say this is the video I want to use. You can see I can choose exactly where I want to start it. Let's say we just can start it from the beginning and hit save. Now keep in mind it will compress the video at the very bottom, so you will lose some quality when you convert it to the GIF. And you can see I can hit done here and I can hop out of here and just open up photos, and there is the GIF. You can see it's fairly low quality though. Your iPhone doesn't do a great job at converting it at high quality. So what you can always do is open up a web browser here. And on here, all you need to do is type in GIF from video. And on here, you can go to Easy GIF. You can see MP4 to GIF converter. It creates a GIF at a very better or higher resolution. So you can hit choose files, photo library here, and I'll show you the comparison. Let's hit done. And now I'll just hit the upload video here. It might take a few seconds to upload it and go through the process of converting this MP4 video. Keep in mind, it does need to be an MP4 video. So if it's a screen recording or something like that, it may not work as well. It looks like this is taking a bit longer, but basically you can take my word for it. This will be a lot higher resolution, but keep in mind, it's not a default built-in option on your iPhone.